gonna be one of the elevators, Fair Oaks, and this is my first take on this thing, so hopefully it's good. Ooh, look. Hydraulic. And look, you can see the hydraulic. There we go. Go on. Empty elevator. And I just did the cavity. Alright, let's go to one. Oh! It is a shimmer block. And it is shaking. And when you go up, level. Go up, we will be doing floor indicators. So bye bye. This is gonna be the other segment of the elevators at the Fair Oaks Mall. Two. Ooh, don't go. You already saw that, so number. Ooh. I am keeping my camera still. The shaking the elevator. Open the door. Yeah, this is what I call a death trap. That's it.